Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave, and you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this really cute soft brown eye makeup look. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer just to prime my lids. So I like to do this just to make the colors last a little bit longer, and also the pigment in the shades just pop out a little bit more, just because I have a blank canvas to work with. So I'm applying the concealer all over my lid, and I'm also setting it with some powder, like the smallest amount of powder, just because I feel like it blends better. So now I'm going in with this palette, which is the Tarte Be You Naturally palette, and I'm taking this brown shade as my transition shade. So I'm using a regular blending brush, and I'm just applying this to my transition area, which is the area right on top of the crease. So I like to apply it on the outer corner of my eye first, and then just work it inward and also outward. So I like to create like a wing on the outer corner, and then I also like to drag it inward, and I also like to make most of the concentration of the pigment toward the outer corner, because that's where the darkest part of the eye makeup look is going to be. And I'm just blending it into the transition area and just making sure that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going in with this dark brown shade, and this is a shader brush, so it's more compact and dense, so it allows the shade to stay in one area, and it just allows me to pick up more pigment and put it down so that it looks more concentrated and darker, and also just to shape it how I want it to be. So I'm concentrating this on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm also winging it out just a little bit, and I'm not going to take it too far into the inner corner. And I'm also going to blend it in with the last shade by using the blending brush that I was using before, and I'm just going to go over it and blend the two together. The next shade that I'm going in with is this white shade. So this is going to be the last shade that we're going in with, and I'm just going to use the same shader brush, and I'm going to pack it onto the lid. So starting from the inner corner, I'm just going to try to kind of outline my eyelid and just make it look like an eyelid shape, like an almond, I guess. Just to really open up my eyes with this lighter shade, and then I'm going to try and mesh it together with the last darker shade. So this is actually going to create more of an eye-opening look and give it some contrast, and I just really like the shape of it with the dark outer corner and then the light inner corner, and then the lightness on the actual lid as well. So the next thing and the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small concealer brush, and I'm picking up the dark brown shade that was in the outer corner, and I'm just basically creating like an eyeliner kind of thing with the eyeshadow. So I'm just creating a line, and I'm just packing it onto the lid just to make it look like the eyeshadow is morphing into the eyeliner. I like it because it's really soft, and it isn't like a really harsh black eyeliner, and it just makes the look very pulled together, and it just meshes really well because it's like, I like the look of the darker outer corner going into the brown liner. And I'm also creating like a little cat eye looking wing in the inner corner as well. And I'm actually not really good at these, but I kind of discovered something that I'm going to show you guys that made it better. So I actually took my concealer brush that did have concealer on it, and I just stamped the bottom of this area, and it just created like a really sharp wing. So I'm gonna try and do this some more, because this like little cat eye looking thing at the inner corner is trending right now, so it would be great if I can also do it. So now I'm going in with mascara, and I am going to be putting on lashes, and I'm also going to be going in on the bottom lower lash line as well. Also, another thing that I like to do is I like to clean up my outer corner of the shadow with my concealer brush. So I'm just passing the concealer brush and just making sure that it looks really nice and sharp, just to make sure that my eyes are looking like it just accentuates the shape that I was trying to create with the winging out the shadow, and it just makes everything look so much cleaner. So I definitely recommend doing this, but it is optional. Now I'm going in with my NYX liner, and this is a brown eyeliner, and I'm just placing it in my waterline because I did want a more defined look in my eyes. And I also went in with some brown shadow, and I just placed it right under my waterline as well, just to smoke it out. So this is basically the final look. I just went ahead and popped on some lashes, and this is how it came out. I really like how it looks. It's super soft, but it's still pretty intricate. I like it. It's, yeah, very wearable. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!